I roasted them for quite a while. So they're nice and toasted. When you crack into them, it's beautifully chocolatey. It smells like coffee. So we're doing it. We're doing this. We're going to use our pits from our jelly palm to make coffee. Let's see. So first, we got to break it down because we don't want to break our vinegar. That fragrance, that aroma it's very coffee. Very, and it's got this fruity, chocolatey note to it. This is gonna make a good coffee. It smells so good. And it's not bitter. It's not bitter like your regular coffee bean. Homemade jelly palm coffee. So it's kind of light for coffee. I'm thinking it's tea. Yeah, this is tea. Mmm. Yeah, a tea. Yeah, that's a good tea.
Yeah, put a little honey in it now. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a striking reminder.
Tastes like coffee.
Yeah, but it's very light. It's not dark like coffee, but taste it. There's no sugar or nothing. Just taste. It's probably more like a tea.
Before I go to them though, Barbara, for those of us keeping time, I'm curious what you think about.
Yes.
It's not bitter.
Like a good tea, like tea.
The grand jury
I'm gonna drink
proceeds.
this.
Really?
I'll remind viewers who may be catching up here on their evening.
We got a hit.
What is it?
It's a tea. He said he gonna drink it. Ain't no sugar or nothing in it.